Hey guys, this is Trey from AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're going to be checking out this Raxium Axial Series LED third brake light with a smoked out lens for your 2003 to 2009 Ram 2500. If you're looking to upgrade your third brake light with something that's more stylish and offers some more features than that stock third brake light, then this is a great option and affordable. Like I mentioned, this is going to give you that aftermarket smoked out look, setting you apart from stock. Another big feature is the inline switch, so that during install you have the option for a standard solid brake light or a quick 5 flashes before that brake light comes on solid, adding some safety for you out there on the road with all those distracted drivers. This light also has a cargo light feature to help you see in the truck bed if you're trying to get some work done after dark. So all together, with all those added features and style, it all comes in at an affordable price point. This light is made with OEM grade materials with a durable black ABS plastic housing paired with a high quality smoked out polycarbonate lens with LED lighting. This has a plug fit for your stock connection and an inline switch for that extra flashing feature we mentioned earlier. Now, as far as price goes on this light, this is coming in right around the $75 mark, which is a solid price for the features that this light offers in my opinion. This is going to be a very simple install for you, scoring a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. With this third tail light being a direct plug-and-play replacement for your stock light, install is only going to take you 15 minutes. Now, let's check out the install and see exactly how you're going to put this on your 2500 with an AmericanTrucks.com customer.
All I used today was just a Phillips head screwdriver for this job. It's a pretty simple job, so it's really the only tool you need. So. All right, today we're going to be replacing third brake light on a 2008 Dodge 2500. We're going to be using this Raxium Series black tail light. All right, first thing you want to do is just use a Phillips screwdriver and take out, there's 2 screws right here that's holding this in. And you want to use your screwdriver to kind of pry it out. And just pry it out. Then there's this little clip right here. You just want to pull it out and release it. And you're going to want to hook this little harness in right here until you hear a click, and kind of shove all this back in there. And there's these 2 little notches right here. You want to line them up with these 2 holes to fit them in. And then you're just going to grab these screws here and thread them back into the holes. Sure they're all nice and snug, and that's basically it. You got a new third brake light.
Alright, that's going to do it for our review and install of this Raxium Axial Series smoked LED third brake light for your 2003 to 2009 Ram 2500. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.